Alright, this is my Paragon pinball machine. I want to work on this display here. So this 6-digit display. The bottom line of these lights are going out intermittently here, so we're going to pull this light out, or this display out, and work on it a little bit. So in these displays, generally the first thing you want to do is to re-solder all the header pins, which are these right here, which I've already done. If you look, these have already all been re-soldered, and also all these up here. And it was still having some segments out, so probably the next thing we're going to do is replace this IC chip. It could also be a bad transistor or resistor. So we'll actually get a rebuild kit. Get your display rebuild kit from, I'll recommend Big Daddy here. It's got a cool name, Big Daddy Enterprises. I'll put a link on my webpage, but their rebuild kit comes with the IC chip and a socket. That's pretty nice. Some transistors and resistors. So let's figure out. Well, first I'm going to replace this, and the bottom segment, which is actually considered D, and it'd be Q16. So I'd want to replace Q16 there. But let's just start with replacing this and go from there. Alright, that's a quick solder job. I'm going to test all these. I got with my magnifying glass, and then make sure that there's no continuity between any of these. So, and then I'm going to put the chip in it. I had to put some tape on there to hold it in place. Hold it in place till or it would just fell out. So, alright, so that took about 30 seconds there. Alright, so set your multimeter to continuity. Since we just did a quick solder job, we're just going to test all these. So just run across. Make sure no two are connected. So we're good. You could test your work also by following this lead down. It goes over here to this pad. You could do it to all of them. I'm not going to. Alright, so let's move on. So here's the new IC chip in. Make sure that the notch on the chip matches the notch on the board right here, or else it's backwards. And also check all your pins. Make sure every pin is in the hole. Check the back side. Make sure none of them miss the hole. Don't want to miss the hole. Push it down. Alright, let's go test it in the machine. I replaced the Q16 also, since I had it out here on the bench. I don't know if I needed to or not, but let's see what happens. Okay, I've got the display back in. It's been running for about 5 minutes. And It doesn't have any missing digits there. It flashes on the video, but here when you look at the machine, the digits aren't flashing. So it was either the IC chip or transistor, but this display is working nice now. And here's the Paragon back glass, one of the best back glasses in pinball. So alright, so I'm going to call this good.